Assalamu alaikum class. I am your teacher Tahreem Shiraz. As you all know that due to this current political situation, this lecture is online. So today we are going to discuss chapter number 4. As you people already know about expansion and factorization of algebraic expressions. So this is just a further expansion and factorization. The concept is same of expansion and factorization, but there are huge lengthy expansions. That's why we are doing this chapter to have a grip on algebraic expressions. So chapter number 4, further expansion and factorization of algebraic expressions. The last time you have already did the question number 4 and question number 5 till question number 5. Now today we will going to start the question number 6, and the question number 6 is expand each of the following expressions. As you know that you have already expand the algebraic terms, so this is expand each of the following expressions. Part A, minus 3xy into x minus 2y. As you know that the coefficient of x and y is minus 3, so when this will be multiplied inside the bracket, when we expand it, it will become minus 3x square y. The minus sign will prevail, and minus 3xy when multiply with minus 2y, it will become plus 6xy square. So this is the answer. Now the part D is, I will solve part A and D, and the remaining part B and C will be your homework. So the question is minus 5x into minus 6x minus 4x3y minus 3y. Now this minus 5x will multiply with each and every term of the bracket, that is minus 5x multiply minus 6x minus 5x minus 5x multiply minus 4x3y minus 5x multiply minus 3y. So minus 5x multiply minus 6 is 30x square, minus 5x multiply minus 4x3y will become plus 20x4y, because y has two terms of y, and one has a power 3 and the one has power 1, and the y plus minus 5x and minus 3y will become plus 15xy. So this is the answer. This is simple expansion. Now the question number 7, expand and simplify each of the following expressions. Minus 2d into 4f minus 5f, this is part B, minus f into 3d plus 7h. This minus 2d will multiply with the inner terms minus 8df plus why it is plus, because minus 2d when multiply with minus 5h, it will become plus 10dh minus 3df and minus 7hyf. Now minus 8df like terms will be rearranging the like terms, minus 8df minus 3df plus 10dh minus 7hf. So it will become minus 11df plus 10dh minus 7hf. Part D, 2n into p minus 2n bracket close minus 4n into n minus 2p. When this term will multiply with the inner terms 2np minus 4n square, 2n multiply 2n will become minus 4n square, minus 4n multiply n will multiply, it will become minus 4n square plus 8np. So it will become minus 4n square minus 4n square plus 2np plus 8np. We rearrange the like terms, so minus 8n square plus 10np. Question number 8, expand each of the following expressions. Part A is a plus 3b into a minus b. You have already done the multiplication inside the brackets. So this is just two terms in a bracket, and you have to expand it by multiplying it with each other. So this a plus 3b into a minus b, it means that the two terms of the first bracket will multiply with each and every term of the other bracket. So I have simplified it, a into a minus b plus 3b into a minus b. So it will become a square minus ab plus 3ab minus 3b square plus 3b multiply minus b will become minus 3b square. Now we will simplify it, a square minus ab and plus 3ab will become plus 2ab. So a square minus 3b square plus 2ab is the answer. The next part is part D, 7m square plus 2 into m minus 4. What we do, for our convenience, we simply make 7m square into m minus 4 plus 2 into m minus 4. The first two terms of the bracket will multiply with each and every term of the other bracket. So 7m square when multiply with m, it will become 7m cube, and 7m square minus 4 when multiply, it will become minus 28m square, plus 2 multiply m will become 2m, and minus 2 multiply 4 will become 8. So it is not simplified further, so it is the answer. Question number 9. Expand and simplify each of the following expressions. Now these are the lengthy expansions. I will solve the part B. 7x minus 3y into x minus 4y bracket close plus 5x minus 9y and y minus 2x. Same, simplify the first term. Assume that this is the first term, and assume that this is the second term. So simplify this term, 7x into x minus 4y minus 3y into x minus 4y plus 5x into y minus 2x and minus 9y into y minus 2x. In this way we can easily expand it, and the chances of error are as compared to the other method, it will be lesser. So when we open the bracket, it will become 7x multiply x will become 7x square, and 7x multiply 4y will become minus 28xy, minus 3y multiply x will become minus 3xy, and minus 3y multiply minus 4y will become 12 plus 12y square. The square brackets will be closed. Plus the outer sign must not be ignored, so we simply put the plus sign. Bracket start, 5x will multiply with y, it will become 5xy, minus 5x will multiply with minus 2x, it will become minus 10x square, minus 9y will multiply with y, it will become minus 9y square, and minus 9y will multipy with minus 2x will become 18xy. So we open the bracket, 7x square minus 31xy. Why it is 31? Because minus 28xy and minus 3xy will become 31xy plus 12y square plus 5xy plus 18xy plus minus 10x square minus 9y square. We rearrange the like terms, 7x square minus 31xy plus 12y square plus 5xy plus 18xy will become 23xy minus 10x square and minus 9y square. When we open the bracket, the outer sign was positive, that's why the inner signs have not been changed. If the outer sign is negative, then all the inner signs will be changed. So 7x square, now we rearrange the like term, 7x square minus 10x square plus 12y square minus 9y square minus 31xy plus 23xy. Now we will simplify it. 7x square minus 10x square will become minus 3x square plus 12y square minus 9y square will become plus 3y square, and minus 31xy plus 23xy will become minus 8xy. So this is the answer. Now the next question is question number 10. Expand each of the following expressions. This is all about the expansions. So it is already been completed. You have already done many questions about expansion of algebraic expressions. So this is not a difficult task for you. X plus 2 into x square plus x plus 1. Now this x will multiply with x square plus x plus 1, and this 2 will multiply with x square plus x plus 1. So x into x square plus x plus 1 plus 2 into x square plus x plus 1. When we multiply this x with x square, it will become x cube. X multiply x will become x square. X multiply 1 will become x, and 2 multiply x square will become 2x square, and 2 multiply x will become 2x, and 2 multiplied 1 is become 2. So x cube plus x square plus 2x square plus x plus 2x plus 2, we rearrange the like terms. So x cube plus 2x square plus 2x square will become 3x square, and x plus 2x will become 3x plus 2. So this is the answer. So this is all about today's lecture. I have completed question number 6, part A and D, 7 part B and D, and 8th part, question number 8 part A and D, and question number 9 part B, and question number 10 part B. So question number 6 part B and C is your homework. Question number 7 part A and C is your homework, and question number 8 part B and C is your homework, and question number 9 part A is your homework, and question number 10 part A is your homework. Thank you so much, class.